What is up, guys? I'm Monkey Max. So now you can see that everything is done here. I'm just gonna come here. I'm just gonna hit go to dashboard. So let's just remove this, and you can see that our WordPress website is totally ready and running. So let's have a look at our site. Okay, this is our website is looking. We have our logo, we have our menu right here, and then we have our call to action. This is this. It's gonna take us to the all products page where we should be taken to the shop page. So let's just click here and let's see how it is. So if I just come here, you can see how the shop page is looking. We have everything coming here, and you can see how great it looks. Okay, we have the pagination as well here. So in this video, we'll be working up at the shop page. We're gonna design this. Okay, so let's just come here. Let's just click this customize section. And here we're going to customize this whole. So you cannot customize it with Elementor, but you can customize this with here. Since this theme gives the maximize customizability. Max customizability. Okay, that is why this theme is the best. So I'm just going to go to WooCommerce right now, and then we're going to design this page. So you can also design it from the widget area from here. But we're going to design the WooCommerce tab from here. So you can see that it has the general. So we have custom WooCommerce sidebar, display featured image. So this is set to yes. Okay, because the featured image should be yes. It is for the category page, so it is not for the cart page. And then we have the cross sales count. It's gonna tell you that on the cart page. So if we just go to the shopping cart right now, okay, we don't have any of the cart in right here. So let's just go to the shopping cart. So if I just go to s6.completewpcourse.com, and then I go to the shopping cart. So let me just go to the shopping cart. Now here you can see how this is. So okay, I have to add a product in the cart, then it's gonna work. So I'm just gonna add a product. So let's just add this product. Okay, this is in here. I'm just gonna hit view cart right now, and you can see that it should be having the cart count. So if I just go to just come here and I just refresh this, let's just reload this. Okay, since we don't have any of the product that means that the upsells or the cross sells in here. That is why this is not coming. But if I just go to this one, I think Woo Themes, I think it has the cross sells thing. So let's just come here and let's just open up the view card. So you can see, okay, it also don't have, but I just remember that the first one page has that we has this one. Okay, so this one do have that add to cart. So if I just click here view cart right now, and then you can see that it says you may be interested in. The reason is that if I just open this product up, okay, and then I go to the edit product, okay, then I go down, and then I go to the link products, then you can see that in the upsells they should be having that. So how this upsell work, if I just add any product, so if I just add logo, Woo logo 15 logo, okay, and now let's go ahead and let's just hit save. So this is the Flying Ninja. Okay, this is not the Woo logo. So if I just go to Woo logo that we added just right now, and then I go down to the edit product. Okay, let's just hit edit product. Okay, and then I go down. So let's suppose that I go down and then I go to link products. Then you can see that in the link products, we have the cross sells. What this means, the cross sells mean that it will show on the card page. Okay, and the upsells mean that it will show in the product page itself. So if I just go to view product right now, then here would be you might be interested in, you may also like. So in the you may also like page, you can see that we have this like here, you may also like, not the related one, just leave the related one. Related works on the category basis, but you may also like works on that upsell. And the cross sells mean, you can see the Woo logo 15 and Woo logo 60 is in the cross sell, and this is called the Woo logo 50 and 60. So this is what I mean exactly. You may be interested in this. And if I just come here and I just go to my WooCommerce right now, and then I go to general, then you can see that it says cross sales count and cross sell column in the cart page. So this is set to this, so we just have to, so do not mess with it because they have chosen the best thing that should suit you. So you can see you may be interested in is coming totally okay. Okay, I want to go back and I have the menu card. Okay, this is the one. hide if empty card. So if there's nothing, then it's gonna be hidden, but I don't want it. Okay, we have icon, card, and count and total. So you can also add the total if you want to. Okay, and on total you will see how it's gonna look. Okay, I have to hit publish right now, and then I have to come here and I have to just refresh this. So you can see this is not just freaking, I don't know why. This is showed and then it is going. I don't know why, what is happening here, but on the count it will also show the total. Okay, so then we have if we just choose it to be like icon and card total, then it will just show the icon and card total. Okay, but I do not know why it is not working. Okay, so let's just choose it to be like icon and card count. So I just want to go with this. And then we have the drop down and go to card and the custom link. So how this is going to work, if someone clicks, then a drop down will appear. So if I click here, a drop down is appearing. Okay, you can also make it like if someone clicks the go to card, then it's going to take them to the card page. Like it will redirect to /card. They mean that. Okay, but I just need a drop down because drop down looks amazing. I have the icon, so I can choose any icon that I want. I think this one looks great. And then I have custom icon. So you can also use the custom icon. We have the card drop down styling. So if someone clicks here, we have this. And we can also style it. So I can also make it like the price color, the remove link color. Okay. We have the border color. So you can also make it like, you can give it a border if you want to. Okay. And we have the checkout button background. Okay, we have the checkout button color. We have the checkout button color on hover. So you can see everything is right here and you can make the changes from here. Let's come here to archives, and this is what I mean. Okay, this is the base that we have. This is called the archive. So it is showing the grid list buttons. This is this. So if someone clicks, you can see this is now changed to list. Okay, the default category view can be list view or grid view, but I would recommend you to go with the grid because mostly people use the grid. Okay, then we have the excerpt length. Okay, you can change it to be like length of the short description of the list view. Okay, so you can make it, you can sharp sort. If I just click here, you can see this is right here. So you can make it change. You can make it like 285 words and it would be 285 and it would be so much larger. Okay, so you can make it to be like 23 if you want to. And you can see this is now set to 18. Short, shop sort, shop result count. So this is like this, and this is the sort. So if you want to uncheck this, this will be hidden and no one can sort it from on the basis. And then we have the shop result count. So you can also show it if you want to, but I would recommend you to go with this. And then we have the elements positioning. Let's come here. And we have this right here. Okay, how this is going to work is that we have the image on top. Okay, and I have the category. So I can also bring the category on top and the category would be on top. Okay, this is the poster. This will be on top, but it will look so ugly. I know. Okay, so I'm just going to bring it down below to the default settings. Then we have title. We have the pricing, and then we have the description of the card. So description will not appear on the grid view. Obviously, if you show the description, it will look so much mess. Okay, and then we have the add to cart button. Okay, and then we have the product entry media, that is the image swap. Okay, this is like this. So if I just come here, you can also make it the gallery slider. So the gallery slider would be here. Okay, you can see how this is looking, but I think image swap looks good a bit to me, so that if you hover your mouse here, then it's going to show the next image that you have. So if you just open up any of the products, so you can see if I just open up this product, then you can see that I have two images. So if I bring my mouse here on the shop page, then it's going to show me this image. So this is how it works. Okay, then we go down and we have the pagination style. You can see this is how it looks. So you can also change it to be like infinite scroll. How infinite scroll will work is that it will open up every page and there will be no pagination. It will be like it will load the page when you go down. So you can see this is the end of the content. Okay, if we go down, then it will load more and more. So this is called the infinite scroll, but I always prefer to use the standard one because I think standard looks good. Okay, and we have just this much. So let's go back and we have the single. So how does single work? Okay, you can design the single page. If you just open up any of the single product right here, okay, and then we will be taken to the single page, and then we can work with this. So we can just hide the title, we can hide the rating, we can hide the price, excerpt, or anything. Okay, and then we have the tabs position. So the tabs position are the center. We can make it right. I can see this is now changed to right. So we are going to make it to the left. So I think left looks good. Oh, let's just move to the center. So then we have the upsells count. This is the upsell. We can make it like 3, 4. We can make it 1. So this would be 1. Only 1 upsell would be coming here. Okay, I want to make it 3. Let's just choose the default one. Okay, and then we have the upsells column as well. Display related items. Display related items. This is also important to make sure to add the related items. And let's just go back. Now we have the advanced styling, and this is the main thing that we want to focus on. So then let's just go to the shop page right now. Okay, and in the shop page, we have to work on this one right here. So this, we have the on sale background. This is going to be green. You can change it to be red if you want to. I will go with the red one. Okay, and then we have the on sale color. So you can make it anything that you want. I will go with the black. Okay, and then we have out of stock background, out of stock color, the product entry toolbar, border bottom color. Okay, grid list color. So you can change it pretty well that how you want it. Okay, then we have grid list border color, grid list hover color, select color. Okay, so we have so much here. And then we have this category color hover, title color, and the product entry add to cart. I basically want to work with this. So you can just mess around with this. You can just change it. We have the price calculator. This will be here. Okay, and delete price color, the title color on hover, and everything. I just want to work with the add to cart background color. So I want to make it the black. I want to focus on my site color basically. Okay, and I want the background color on hover. So add to cart background color. So this would be turned to gray. So if someone brings his mouse, it's going to turn to gray. And then we have add to cart color. So this is going to be white, full white. So I'm just going to make it full white. Okay, and then I have add to cart color on hover. So on hover, it would turn blue. I don't want it to be blue. I want it to be black. I'll just make it white. Okay, and then we have add to cart border style. So I just want it to be solid, nothing else. Okay, or just let's just make it none. No border. Okay, I think this looks cool. This looks amazing, seriously. Add to cart border size, add to cart border radius. So you can also add the border radius, like if you add 25 and then you add the border to be solid, then it would be add to cart border radius. So this is not applying. I don't know why, but this would turn to circle. So if you just apply it, so let's just come here. Let's just save it. Let's just come here and let's just see our page if it works here. Okay, it is not working here. So I'm just gonna come here. I'm just gonna choose no. I don't want anything. And then we have the single product. So in the single product, if you just click here, and then you can change it like quantity color, quantity plus minus color. If you just open this up, okay, and then you can see that we have the plus minus as well in the quantity section. So you can also change the color of this. You can also change the color of the button. So this is how it's gonna work. But I am going to change the color of the button. So I'm just gonna go down. So I just don't know why they don't have the option for the add to cart. Okay, I cannot change the add to cart button, and you can see everything is totally up and running, and this is going so great. Okay, so now you can see everything looks great. Everything is up and running, and this is how our website is looking. So now we have designed the whole shop page. Okay, we have worked with this, and in the next video we'll be working up with the sidebar. So we're gonna work with the sidebar. You guys already know how can you design this, but we have to focus on the sidebar a bit so that our sidebar looks amazing. So in the next video I'll show you how can you work with the sidebar and how it will look great.